Today on Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts, we are going to make Cheeseburger Macaroni Skillet, a quick and easy dinner you can get on the table in just minutes. Hi, I'm Erin from Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts, and today's recipe is one of those that just reminds me of childhood. When I was growing up, we always had a box of Hamburger Helper in the pantry. It wasn't something we had super often, but on those crazy nights when everybody was running around and we had nothing else planned, my mom would take it out of the pantry and we would have it for dinner. And now I have this homemade version that I can make in the same amount of time for my family, and they absolutely love it. It is super easy. It comes together in just one pan in about 20 minutes. So let me show you what you'll need and let's get started. We'll have ground beef and water and milk to help make the sauce, elbow macaroni, and then real cheddar cheese. And then for the spice mixture that comes in the little packet in the Hamburger Helper mix, we've got paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, sugar, black pepper, and a little cornstarch that'll help thicken the sauce. The first step is to add the ground beef to a large skillet, and we are going to heat it over medium-high heat and then just break up the ground beef until it is cooked through. Depending on the kind of ground beef you have, you might have some fat in the pan that you'll want to drain away. You could use ground turkey for this too if you wanted. Next, we'll add all of our spices to the meat and mix it around to gently combine. And then we just pour in the pasta, the milk, and the water. Stir everything together until it is nice and combined, and then we just bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, you put the lid on and just let it cook for about 10 minutes. You can stir it partway through to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom and all of the pasta is getting cooked. Once the pasta is tender, you add the cheese and just mix until it is all melty and gooey. And you are done. Once you stir in the cheese and everything is combined, if yours is a little liquidy, you can let it stand for just 2 to 3 minutes for the sauce to thicken up, and then you can serve. This is perfect for busy weeknights. Everything comes together in one pan. Cleanup is a breeze, and your whole family is gonna love it. If you like this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then leave me a comment below and tell me what one of your favorite recipes from childhood was. You can also subscribe to get lots more easy recipes just like this one. Bye.